Hello! In this video, see how Content Panda helps users learn SharePoint with training and context-sensitive help. Turn on Content Panda by clicking the Panda tab and then click Browse Application Training. This opens the Application Training and Support panel that allows users to search for topics, choose from a list of on-demand training topics, and launch context-sensitive tooltips. Clicking an in-context help and support topic highlights the related SharePoint feature on the current page and displays a tooltip with targeted help and support content providing users answers to those "How do I?" questions without submitting support tickets or wasting time searching. Leverage Content Panda's application training feature to provide your users with SharePoint training and support. Users can always simply turn on help from the Panda tab to highlight all help and support content on the page.